Hello, and welcome to California State University Fullerton. I am Darlene Ocadis, and I will be your instructor for University 100, a course in college success. In University 100, we will explore the resources available to you so that you can succeed in college effectively and efficiently. We will also explore some lifelong learning techniques, and hopefully through the assignments required in the class, you will make some important discoveries. This class will be presented fully online in an asynchronous format on the Learning Management System Canvas. The course is designed in weekly modules with assignments, videos, and a few discussions and quizzes. At the end of the semester, you will compile and edit the assignments you have done throughout the semester into a final paper about you, based on what you learned in the class. It is possible to do very well in this class if you keep up with the assignments and follow the guidelines. Please read through the syllabus and pay attention to the due dates on the Canvas modules. I will send out announcements periodically with reminders and updates, so please check your CSU email often. If you have any questions or if you want to set up a Zoom appointment with me, please email me and I will respond within 24 hours. I hope you find the information in this course valuable, and I hope you do very well in this class. Have a great semester.